This is the new Lamborghini Revuelto. A mix of power and aerodynamics that makes this car the best ever produced by Lamborghini. It can reach more than 350 km per hour thanks to its powerful aspirated V12 engine, 6.5 liters and 3 electric motors that deliver 10-15 horsepower. But the real news this time is the new double-clutch gearbox with 8 gears whose weight is equivalent to 193 kilograms that allows even faster gear changes. The Italian automaker has opted for a new chassis with monocoque entirely in carbon fiber and the front frame in forged composites. The real stroke of class are the 2 tailpipes with hexagonal shape positioned centrally in the upper part of the car. Obviously, in a car of this caliber can't miss a mobile spoiler whose position can depending on the driving mode that thanks to the electric motors is very varied. We have in fact available recharge mode, hybrid mode, and performance mode that can be combined with city, road, sport, and Corsa driving programs.